How to make lasagna soup. This delectable lasagna soup recipe is a quick and easy way to enjoy lasagna without all the work. It's saucy, cozy, family-loved, and made in one pot using the Instant Pot or stove. Ingredients for 12 cups. A. 2 tablespoons olive oil. B. 1 pound lean ground beef. C. 1 large onion diced. D. 4 cloves garlic minced. E. 1 15-ounce can. Diced tomatoes don't drain. F. 1 15-ounce can. Tomato sauce or tomato puree. G. 1/2 6-ounce can. Tomato paste. H. 4 cups chicken broth plus 1 cup water. I. 1 to 2 cups water as needed to adjust broth. J. 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning. K. 1 teaspoon sea salt. L. Black pepper to taste. M. 8 ounces bow tie pasta, uncooked. Lasagna soup toppings. A. 1/2 cup ricotta cheese. B. 2 ounces mozzarella cheese shredded, about 1/2 cup. C. 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese shaved, shredded, or fresh grated. D. 1/4 cup fresh parsley chopped. How to make lasagna soup on the stove. 1. Sauté the ground beef, onions, and garlic in a Dutch oven or heavy soup pot. Drain any excess fat. 2. Stir in tomatoes, sauce, tomato paste, broth, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and pasta noodles. 3. Add bow tie pasta or your pasta of choice, increase heat, and bring the soup to a boil. 4. Loosely cover the pot and reduce heat to a medium simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until pasta is cooked to your liking, stirring as needed. Add small amounts of water or broth as needed to maintain your desired sauce consistency. I always end up adding about 1 cup of water. 5. Here's what it looks like when the noodles are perfectly cooked. Now you're ready to serve this mouth-watering soup with the cheesy toppings to finalize those lasagna vibes. Instant Pot Lasagna Soup Instructions. The Instant Pot method for lasagna soup allows for hands-free cooking once the ground beef and onions are sautéed. This makes it truly convenient, especially if you multitask during dinner time. Here's how. 1. Sauté the beef, onion, and garlic in the Instant Pot. 2. Add the remaining ingredients, except the toppings. 3. Close the lid and pressure cook for 1 minute on high pressure. This is not a typo. It's my signature pressure cooking move. 4. Release the steam. Do a quick pressure release, QPR, for slightly al dente pasta, or do a 10-minute natural pressure release, NPR, for softer pasta. Pressure cooker size matters. I use my Instant Pot 6-quart duo for this recipe, which is the perfect size for this 12-cup recipe yield. For a 3-quart pressure cooker, I recommend cutting this recipe in half. To double the recipe, use an 8-quart or 10-quart pressure cooker. How to serve lasagna soup. Whether you make lasagna soup in the Instant Pot or on the stove, the serving recommendation is the same. Serve it with a dollop of ricotta, shredded mozzarella, grated Parmesan, and a little chopped fresh parsley for a pop of color. You will love how it tastes like lasagna with minimal effort. Storage instructions. 1. Refrigerate. Cool lasagna soup completely and refrigerate in an airtight container for up to 5 days. 2. Freeze. Transfer cooled soup to airtight freezer containers and freeze for up to 3 months, or longer if vacuum sealed. 3. Thaw. Transfer frozen soup to the refrigerator for an overnight stay to thaw. Never thaw frozen food on the counter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.